Betco's Symplicity Laundry solutions transform struggling operations into streamlined, compliant, and cost-efficient centers. With proven one-pass performance, Symplicity Laundry products remove the toughest soils and stains in a single wash, cutting rewashes by more than 50%. Reliable performance translates to real savings, from reduced water and energy use to linens that last up to 20% longer. Automated, color-coded dispensing eliminates guesswork, while Simplicity's SureConnect system protects your team and equipment while ensuring compliance. With customized programs, expert service partners, and unmatched support, Betco's Symplicity for Laundry delivers visibly superior results. To discover more information about how Symplicity Laundry solutions from Betco can assist your operation, visit betco.com, call 888-GO-BETCO, or contact your local sales representative.